Welcome back, traders and investors, to the beginner's guide on how to use option screeners on Barchart.com. Want to find the best options trades fast? Barchart's option screeners help you filter for opportunities based on strategy, probability, and key trading metrics. Whether you're looking for long calls, credit spreads, or iron condors, these screeners make it easy to identify high probability setups fast. In today's video, we'll break down how to use Barchart's option screeners, customize filters and list views, and save your favorite setups in a watch list. Plus, get daily email alerts so you never miss a move in the market. Ready to find your own trades? Let's dive in. As always, let's start by taking a look at Barchart's disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. To navigate to the screeners, head to the Options tab, where you'll find multiple strategy-based screeners on the menu, including everything from basic debit trades like long calls and puts for directional traders looking for potential breakouts, to more advanced strategies like credit and debit spreads for defined risk setups, or iron condors and butterflies for range-based trades. For this tutorial, let's focus on the long call screener, one of the most popular tools for traders expecting a stock to rise. Let's take a look. This screener instantly loads a curated list of call option setups with bullish potential based on key data points like probability of profit, implied volatility, break-even price, and moneyness. At the top of the page, you'll see a strategy summary, a help button, and the Learn More tab. When you click Learn More, you'll access a full lesson on the strategy for the screener, including a quick at-a-glance breakdown, and scroll down to explore the entire lesson with resources to educational content and a YouTube video to watch right here on Barchart. And when you're ready, you can click back to the Options Learning Center for even more strategies, all categorized with links to lessons and screeners. Once you're back at the long call screener, you'll notice you can sort this list by any of the top level data points. Sort by profit probability, highest volume, or open interest, or moneyness, depending on what matters most to your strategy. Then, head over to Set Filters tab. This is where the real edge comes in. You're now seeing the filter criteria behind the screener, which is preloaded to find long call setups. Here's a quick breakdown of key data fields. Trend Seeker signal is set to bullish, confirming the trend. Things like days to expiration, strike price, and security type are all adjustable. Moneyness? This helps you choose between in the money and out of the money options, depending on your risk tolerance. And break-even price tells you the exact stock price needed to profit by expiration. And in the money probability gives you a statistical chance of ending in the money. You can narrow your results even further using the search bar or the drop-down menu to explore all the available data fields. For example, you can filter by options price and volume, focus on near-term or long-term expirations, or filter based on option premium size to only see the largest trades on the list. Now let's say you want to find high-volume trades only on stocks from your own watch list. You can do that too. From the drop-down, click My Personal List, then select the watch list and choose to include only underlying assets or option contracts saved to a watch list. For example, I can choose to include stocks saved on my S&P 500 watch list. Next, I'm going to search for any additional option filters I want to add, like Delta. And then we can adjust the filters to our preference. Set a minimum for option premiums, and confirm there's already high volume and high open interest to find the most active trades. Now, click See Results, and just like that, our large list will be narrowed down to only 17 quality setups based on our screener's filter. At the top, we can change to any saved screeners from the past and also adjust the list view and see key data fields like dividends and earnings, or filter view, which is based on the order of the data fields from the screener. We can now sort the list based on our custom filters, like the largest option premium or the highest open interest and volume. Now, let's analyze these trades visually using Flipcharts. You have the option to look at either the underlying stock chart or the price action of the actual option premium. These interactive charts let you customize your chart settings and switch from bars to candles or line view, and use the arrows on the side or the ribbon at the top to scan through each trade. If you find something you like, click the star on the toolbar to add it to your watch list. Now, let's go back to the list and switch to the flip charts for the underlying assets. Here, we can analyze the stock's price action with technical indicators. We can click templates to create our own chart templates or use one provided by Barchart. We'll use this template with indicators like RSI and moving averages, which is great for confirming trend strength and direction. For example, the first chart shows RSI is already overbought, so I'll move on and look for setups with more room to the upside. Use the ribbon at the top or the arrows on the side to quickly scan the list with the same chart setup. And when you find a trade that fits your strategy, just click the star icon to save it to a watch list. If you're looking for opportunities during the regular session, these results will update every 10 minutes. But you can click the refresh button here to update the list instantly. Want to dive deeper into the data? Click here to download the list. And here's a cool part. Every options trade on this screener also comes with a PnL chart. You can access it by clicking the button at the top right or directly from the list with the chart icon. This gives you a full breakdown of the trade, from probability of profit and risk reward to all the option Greeks and more critical insights for your trade. If you need help interpreting it, click the help icon for a link to a full lesson and video walkthrough, or scroll down for a quick explanation on the tab you're viewing. This is your complete toolkit for options trading, giving you the full trade setup, expected move, volatility, and confirmation of the trend. To explore the list, you can use the up and down or left and right keys, or click the list directly to find the trade that fits your strategy. From the list, you can click the links column to explore more data on each trade, or save it on one of your existing watch lists. If you like these filter settings, you can click Save Screener. Then, name your setup and give it a description. Adjust the list views and sort preferences, and if you want to get daily trade alerts, you can set up email alerts, so Barchart sends updated trade opportunities to your inbox every day, including a CSV file to download if you want to go deeper into the data. You can also save the trade list as a watch list, selecting either the underlying assets or option contracts themselves. Whether you want to add stocks to an existing list or replace an old list with new trades, so you're building your own pipeline of top-tier setups. A great tactic if you want a rotating stream of new opportunities. When you're back on the screener, you can always just click the link at the top to set up your own email alerts. If you need more help and knowledge on these screeners, just click Learn More to head back to our Options Learning Center, packed with education, strategy lessons, and video guides for every level. You can also click the Learn tab for more content on various tools, plus resources and free newsletters. So if you want to understand what each filter means, just click Bar Chart Data Fields. Here, you'll explore the full list or use the search bar to get full definitions and availability across each screener, as some of these data fields may only be for options or ETFs. And if you're thinking, I don't have time to look for my own trades, don't worry, we'll do all the work for you. Barchart's free newsletters have you covered, from dividend picks to unusual options activity. We'll send you the top trade ideas directly to your inbox. And that's it. Now you know how to navigate Barchart's option screeners to uncover winning trades to stay ahead of the market. Now what's next? It's time for you to get started. Analyze the setup, visualize the outcome, and take full control of your trading strategy, all in one place. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more trading tips and tools on Barchart.com.